Guys, it's Izzy and Aiden here, and like we said in the intro, we're gonna be doing a challenge right now, and it is
I don't know what
is
it's
it
called.
like guess the food? No.
It's pretty much torture. That's all it is.
Yeah, we grabbed 4
items out of Izzy's fridge.
out of my fridge, which I got some bad stuff, and we're gonna put them in a bag.
And we have these little pieces of paper. We write 1, 2, 3, and 4 on them.
And whatever
and
we pick,
whatever we pick out of a hat, the other person has to do.
Yeah.
Like has to take a teaspoon or tablespoon.
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 All right.
Or should we do a spoonful?
A spoonful. And
so he's gonna go that way so he doesn't see my items first, and I'm gonna show you guys my items and the numbers that go with it, and then we're gonna put the numbers in and we're gonna crush them up and pick one.
Yeah.
Okay.
So I'm gonna leave.
Okay, guys, Izzy just left. Okay, so we have this bag full of stuff. Okay, so first I have mustard. Okay, this is gonna be number 1. Next, we have AI original sauce. This can be number. Wait, what the crap? Okay, number 2. I did pretty good ones for Izzy. For our 3rd one, it's gonna be maple syrup. Hi, Rocky. Okay. And our 4th one is sweet brown. Okay, guys, so we're gonna crumple these up, put them in a hat, okay? Peace. Okay, so I'm gonna leave now. Izzy's gonna make it back, okay? So I'll see you guys there.
Alright guys, I'm here. So I'm Izzy, and my 4 items he's gonna hate. So, the first item is sweet and spicy barbecue sauce. My second item, hot cocktail sauce. My 3rd item, which I think you can handle this, Chai's mild, thick, and chunky salsa. And the last one, he is going to hate me, guys. It is extremely hot. Literally. I know the name might sound weird, but it's Dirty Dicks. It's so bad. It hurts so bad. It's made with hot pepper sauce with tropical twist. It's so bad. So, I'm gonna get him. Okay, the first one will be this. Second one will be this. Third one will be this. And the 4th one will be this. Okay. Can't wait. Alright. I'll get him. Alright, guys. I got him. And he's gonna be trying my stuff.
Do you remember which one's which?
Yeah.
Okay.
Oh, okay.
So
Number
we
1.
got this nice little domo hat, okay? I just folded up these numbers, okay? Just to show you guys they're all folded and stuff so I can't see. And then, okay, got one.
I feel so bad.
3.
Oh. So, guys, it's the mild, thick, and chunky salsa, which isn't bad.
Where's the spoons?
In the thing right there, next to the garbage. It's not bad at all. I was wishing you got number 1, but
now I don't want to get number 1.
yeah, but
should we use these?
Yeah. This isn't bad, but
okay. So we're gonna alternate from who gets what at what time. Okay.
hate salsa just plain. Nasty. Should we get 2 spoons? No? You sure?
I can't wimp out.
I'm talking about, should we get 2 spoons each? I mean, 1
Probably.
spoon each. Yeah.
You know what, guys? Yummy.
That's nasty. All right, I'm
It's
gonna
actually
put.
wicked
I'm
disgusting.
gonna put mine over here. Did you put the number back in here?
Yeah.
Oh, you did?
Pretty sure. And after we use the same number twice, guys, we have to.
Then we'll keep these. All right, so
and then
3.
we drop those numbers. Wait, did I
What's
drop
number 3? All right,
There.
this we should put on the side.
No, we put this one in.
We should put on.
No,
the
for
side.
you.
Oh, I'm going right now.
Yeah, we alternate.
All right,
That was absolutely disgusting, guys.
I got number 2.
Wait, do you get
A1.
Yep.
I actually like A1. Okay.
We got A1.
I got
for
number 2.
I'm pretty sure at least. I might be wrong, but
A1's good.
We're gonna go with
I
it.
like it. Steak sauce. I don't really mind.
Complete spoonful. You idiot.
I kind of spilled it on my table. All right. This is nasty. That's nasty.
Where did you put 2?
2's right there.
Oh,
Oh,
so I'm gonna let him settle that when I go, okay? So if I get 3 again, I'm repicking.
no, that's not 3.
2.
Oh, you didn't just do 2. Wait, which one's mine? Oh,
I got that for you. Wait, no, I didn't.
No?
Oh, that actually looks pretty good.
sweet and spicy barbecue
Wait,
sauce.
sweet and spicy. This is sweet and sour.
No, sweet and spicy
Shite.
barbecue sauce. Last
guys.
2. Oh, my 3rd. Wait, these 2 are mine, yeah. Yeah, I think. Yeah.
Here, cap that.
Oh, that's nasty.
Okay, guys, ready? Here you go. I'm actually gonna might throw up after this.
The heck, bro?
I didn't even want to taste it or anything.
All right, my turn,
Okay,
guys.
the spiciness is coming to me
Alright,
now.
4. Wait, oh no. Where's 2? Did you put it back in there?
I might have.
All right.
Nope, it's right here.
Sure.
Yep. Wait, you already got 2, didn't you? Yeah, you already got 2.
No, I didn't.
I just got 2. Yeah, you did. You got Al. That was
Yeah,
2.
all right.
So 2's out of the game now.
Yep. I got number 1.
Wait,
Please tell me that's not mustard.
it's mustard.
No.
Okay,
Are you
guys.
kidding me?
He just picked the yellow, wait, what is it called? Traditional yellow mustard. Pucker up.
It's nasty.
He hates me for doing this. He does not like mustard.
Mustard's nasty.
I
I don't really care, bro. That is completely nasty.
Don't do that. You have to eat it. That's not even a spoonful.
That is. As you swirl it
This is
around.
a spoonful.
Alright.
Yeah. That's sweet.
We should have water.
I don't care. We're not being babies.
Alright. 1, 2, 3.
Oh my lord, this is so funny. I'm gonna let him finish that while I go.
Now I hope you definitely get number 1.
I got number 3 again. Vincent.
Get number 1.
I think I got number 1. Yeah, I did. I got 1. Okay, guys. 1.
This is Dirty Dick's hot sauce.
Dick.
No, you might think it's funny. Dude, you're screwed.
What? This stuff? Dude, I died from your tapatio.
I know, it's 10 times harder.
Oh, shit. I'm not doing a spoonful, though, because there's not even much left.
Do the whole thing. Guys, he's gonna hate me.
You dirty dick. You better get ready to get me milk.
Oh my god. The funny thing is, I don't have milk.
What?
Okay, guys.
Nope.
His mouth's gonna be on fire, no joke, guys. Oh my god. I feel so bad right now. Okay, guys. Look at him. I told him he was gonna hate me.
You don't even understand that.
See if I have milk. Have some lemonade.
If it gets away.
Better?
Wait. Nope.
Alright, I'm gonna let him die down and stuff. We'll check in with you guys with the next thing. Alright, guys.
We both got 3, right? No. Wait, no, you haven't got 3. Where's the 1? Did we both get 1? Yeah, we did.
Yeah.
So we have
All right,
2's out of
guys.
the game, guys, and where'd 1 go?
I have 1 more left, and he has 2 more. So it's my turn.
Still a lot.
I got 3, which I already got.
You already got 3?
Yeah.
No, you didn't. I did.
That was A1.
No, I got 3. No, that was... A1 was 2. 3 is maple syrup.
Oh, yay! Thank you, buddy.
Yep. This devil. He is a bad dick. What was his name? Dirty Dick?
Yep.
He is a fucking dirty dick. Sorry, watch my cursing. We'll put dolphin noises for cursing. No, you gotta do more than that, dude. I'm not letting you get away with it.
There.
You know what? Since you made me have dirty dick hot sauce, you're taking another spoonful of this.
No. Alright, guys.
I might drink this out of the
What?
thing.
Okay, 1, 2, 3.
Can't be that bad, dude. It's maple syrup.
Mm.
I hate this kid. I did something nice for him.